This is child support fundamentals for new mothers. We have some basic terms we use in child support. Custodial parent, or CP, is the parent who has custody of the child most of the time. Current support is the amount that an NCP is required to pay on a regular basis. Arrears are unpaid child support debt that is owed. DSS is the HRA New York City Department of Social Services. Cash assistance benefits are money paid to in this case, the custodial parent and the children on the case. Benefits of child support. First, legal parentage is established. Also, regular payments are based on the NCP's income, and we can formally document that financial support. Also, collections are enforced, and the cost of raising the child is shared by both parents. Our services at Office of Child Support Services, we put children first, and we help both parents support their children. We do this by locating non-custodial parents and establishing parentage. We establish child support orders and monitor and enforce those orders. We also help NCPs find employment and avoid and manage debt. We serve mothers, fathers, and guardians, regardless of income or immigration status. In New York State, we serve everyone. Child support improves outcomes for families. For custodial parents, that improves financial stability and helps with childcare. Non-custodial parents have a voice in their children's future. They're more likely to engage with their children and find and keep employment. Children who benefit from child support are more likely to complete school, show better self-control, and also do better with other social indicators. OCSS reaches many children. 1 out of every 7 children in New York City is receiving child support. Unfortunately, over half of low-income single parents are not receiving child support. We have a 2-generation approach. We help children receive the support they need and work with parents to reduce financial stress. This is designed to break the cycle of poverty across 2 generations. The child support process means we have clients for a long period of time. It starts with opening a case, then establishing parentage. We then establish orders and collect and distribute that support. And we then enforce if necessary or modify an order.
Custodial parents receiving cash assistance receive a mandatory referral to OCSS, which currently conducts interviews via the phone. All other parents come to our family court on their own. In both cases, caseworkers work one-on-one with them to complete the child support application. How to get child support safely. To apply for child support, you must provide information about yourself, your child, and the non-custodial parent. If safety is a concern, child support and the court have ways to help you access child support safely. You can request electronic testimony instead of an in-person appearance in court. Request the court not reveal your residence or employer. Your information is removed from any petitions or notices. And you can request your laboratory appointment for genetic testing to establish parentage be scheduled separately from the other parent. You can also file for an order of protection. While you can suppress your address, it's not possible to suppress the name of the county child support agency or the court that issued the order. No order can be established unless parentage is also established. And this is important because it brings social benefits to the child and works toward building a relationship that lasts a lifetime. Parentage preserves inheritance rights and legally grants the child access to key benefits. These include Veteran Administration benefits, Social Security, and death. Parentage gives fathers a voice in court-ordered visitation, custody, or adoption. The fee for DNA testing of $40 can be waived for cash assistance and other extenuating circumstances. Parentage can be established by marriage, acknowledgement, or DNA testing. The process for custodial parents. The custodial parent provides OCSS with information and receives screening for domestic violence. OCSS attempts to locate the NCP. If the parent is located, a petition is filed and/or a summons is sent. The court date is typically 4 to 5 weeks after the petition is filed. The court determines the support amount and the custodial parent receives child support. If the NCP is not located, the case is on hold while the search continues. Receiving child support. Support can be received by families in as little as 2 weeks after the order is filed. Non-CA clients receive 100% of support payments and 100% of debt payments. Cash assistance clients receive up to $200 plus cash assistance benefits. One child is $100, 2 children are $200. There is an alternative to the court process called the Stipulated Agreement. Clients are offered the opportunity to enter into the agreement voluntarily. Parents meet with staff to sign the agreement based on the Child Support Act guidelines. The agreement is sent to court, the hearing is scheduled, and the NCP is served the summons. Both parents must go to family court to finalize the agreement. And the child support order is filed, usually with only one court appearance. There are times when the order needs to be modified. These circumstances include a new or higher paying job or raise, job loss or decrease in income, incarceration, disability, change in custody. Either party can file to modify the order upward or downward. We care about debt. Debt can impact one's mental and physical health and can cause stress for families. Debt can lead to non-payment of current support, conflict between CP and NCP, potentially less contact with children, less income for low-income CPs. We have some programs developed to deal with debt if the debt is owed to the government. However, mediation services can address child support debt owed directly to the custodial parent. Mediators help parents come to agreements about past due child support payments, future child support payments, custody or visitation, communication, or other types of conflicts. The mediators are trained to listen, to be fair, and to keep the discussion safe.
We can help you. We have a customer services division that answers both general and specific questions. We can help custodial parents apply for child support and explain the obligations to non-custodial parents. We can help either party modify an order or change an address. We can explain enforcement measures and what relief is available. We help non-custodial parents with debt reduction and employment programs. We have offices in all 5 boroughs of New York City and can help you sign an acknowledgement of parentage. Please be aware that you do not need an attorney to apply for child support. Child support cases are heard in family court by a support magistrate, and the parents can appear by themselves without a lawyer. We can help you provide more information by visiting our website or the New York State website. We have a playlist on YouTube. You can request a phone appointment with OCSS customer service. And we have other resources. We will be distributing a copy of this presentation to share with everyone who attends. The items listed on this slide that are underlined will link you to them on the internet.